Total Preparation Lucknow welcomes you all to its online program. Friends, in this video edition of our General Awareness Q&A program, we would be discussing Padma Awards 2020 in detail. Let's quickly begin. Padma Awards are one of the highest civilian awards in India. It is conferred in three categories: Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. These awards are given in various disciplines, areas of activities, that is, arts, social work, public affairs, science and engineering, trade and industry, medicine, literature and education, along with sports, civil services, etc. Padma Vibhushan is awarded for exceptional and distinguished service, while Padma Bhushan is for distinguished service of higher order. Padma Shri is given for distinguished service in a particular field. These awards are announced every year on the occasion of Republic Day and are conferred by the President in a ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan around March or April every year. This year, the President has approved 141 Padma Awards to be conferred, including 4 duo case. In duo case, the award is counted as 1. This year, 7 Padma Vibhushan, 16 Padma Bhushan and 118 Padma Shri awards have been given. 4 out of 7 Padma Vibhushan, 3 out of 16 Padma Bhushan and 5 out of 118 Padma Shri have been given to posthumous awardees. 33 women are among the awardees. 18 persons have been awarded the Padma Awards under the category of foreigners and 12 posthumous awardees have been conferred with the Padma Awards. It is noteworthy that the Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan awards are the second and third highest civilian honors in the country after Bharat Ratna, while Padma Shri is the fourth highest civilian award in the country. So the list of 7 Padma Vibhushan awardees are: first, Mr. George Fernandez, who has been given posthumous Padma Vibhushan for public affairs, and he was for Bihar. Number 2 is Mr. Arun Jaitley, posthumous public affairs, Delhi. Number 3, Sir Anirudh Jugnauth, public affairs, Mauritius. Number 4, Mrs. M.C. Maricom, sports, Manipur. Number 5, Shri Channulal Mishra, arts, Uttar Pradesh. Number 6, Srimati Sushma Swaraj, posthumous, public affairs, Delhi. Number 7, Shri Vishwesh Tirath Swamiji and Shri Pejawara Adukhaja Math Udupi, posthumous in the field of spiritualism, from Karnataka. So this list includes 16 Padma Bhushan awards which were conferred. Mr. M. Mumtaz Ali for spiritualism, Kerala. Mr. Syed Muazzam Ali, posthumous, public affairs, Bangladesh. Shri Muzaffar Hussain Beg, public affairs, Jammu and Kashmir. Shri Ajoy Chakraborty, art, West Bengal. Shri Manoj Das, literature and education, Puducherry. Shri Balakrishna Doshi for architecture, Gujarat. Miss Krishnammal Jagannathan, social work, Tamil Nadu. Shri S.C. Jameel, public affairs, Nagaland. Other awardees in the same list are Shri Anil Prakash Joshi, social work, Uttarakhand. Dr. Sering Landol for medicine, Ladakh. Shri Anand Mahindra, trade and industry, Maharashtra. Shri Neelkant Ramakrishna and Madhav Menon, posthumous, public affairs, Kerala. Shri Manohar Gopalakrishna and Prabhu Parikar, posthumous, public affairs, Goa. Professor Jagdish Seth, Literature and Education, USA. Miss P.V. Sindhu, Sports, Telangana. Shri Venu Srinivasan, Trade and Industry, Tamil Nadu. There were 118 Padma Shri, those have been conferred. This year it was announced to confer the Padma Shri to 118 celebrities who have done commendable work in various fields. These include Jagdish Lal Ahuja, and he belongs to Chandigarh, popularly known as Langar Baba. Muhammad Sharif is popularly known as Sharif Chacha, a bicycle mechanic from Uttar Pradesh who cremated 21,000 unclaimed dead bodies. Javed Ahmed Tak, who works for children with disabilities in Kashmir. Tulsi Gowda, known as the Encyclopedia of the Forest. Now she is an Indian environmentalist from Honali village, Ankola Taluk in Karnataka. She has planted more than 30,000 saplings. This year, 1984 activist Abdul Jabbar, who fought for justice for the Bhopal gas victims, was posthumously awarded the Padma Shri. Mr. Abdul Jabbar died on November 14, 2019. Other Padma Shri honors include Adnan Sami, Karan Johar, Kangana Ranaut, Ekta Kapoor, Suresh Wadekar, industrialist Bharat Goenka, hockey player Jeetu Rai, mathematician Vashisht Narayan Singh, posthumous, Satya Narayan Mundayur, Usha Chaumur, Pawar Popatrao Bhaguji, Harekela Hajabba, Arunoday Mandal, popularly known as Sundar Baner Sujan, Radha Mohan and daughter Sabarmati, Kushal Kaur Sarma, famous as Elephant Doctor of Assam, Trinity Sayo, Ravi Kanand S. Ramakrishnan, Sundaram Verma, Munna Master, Yogi Narayan, Musical Pankajakshi. Now, Musical Pankajakshi is Kerala's last surviving link with Noku Vidya Pavakalli. This is a unique form of puppetry that is centuries old. So these are a few Padma Shri awardees. Let's move on. So here's the list of 118 Padma Shri awardees. We have tried to include all the names of these awardees in the upcoming illustrations. Please go through them in details. Due to shortage of time, it is difficult to go through each and every awardee which has been mentioned in these illustrations. But this will help you a great deal in identifying their names, their area of work and the state they belong to. So we have tried to include all 141 Padma awards. Those have been conferred in the year 2020. Let's move on. So now we are beginning with some important question and answers which are related to Padma awards. The first question is, the President has announced to confer Padma awards to how many people in the year 2020? So option A is 141, B 140, C 135, D 112. The correct answer to this question is 141. Those we have discussed in our previous illustrations. How many people have been awarded the Padma Vibhushan this year by the central government? Option A 4, B 5, option C 6, D 7. So the correct answer to this question is option D 7. How many people were given the Padma Bhushan award by the central government in 2020? Options are 7, 10, 15 or 16. So the correct answer to this question is 16, that is option number D. How many Padma Shri awards were announced by the central government in 2020? Option A 16, B 106, C 118, D 180. So the correct answer to this question is 118 Padma Shri awards. Option C. How many of the following people were awarded the Padma Vibhushan posthumously? Option A 4, option B 3, option C 2, option D 1. So the correct answer to this question is option A 4. How many women were awarded the Padma Awards in the year 2020? Option A 35, B 42, C 33, D 37. So the correct option is C 33. The Padma Awards 2020 were announced by the central government on 25th of January 20. Consider the following statements related to this. The first statement is, this year the President has approved to give 141 Padma Awards. The second statement is, Padma Vibhushan was awarded to 4 persons this year. Third, the famous badminton player P.V. Sindhu was awarded the Padma Bhushan. Fourth statement is, renowned boxer MC Mary Kom was awarded the Padma Vibhushan. Which of the following statements above are correct? So the correct answer to this question is option A, that says only 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Let's move on. Who among the following is not the winner of Padma Bhushan Award 2020? A. Anand Mahindra, B. Mary Kom, C. P.V. Sindhu, D. S.C. Jamir. So the correct answer to this question is Mary Kom, which is option number B. Padma Bhushan Award 2020 awardee Miss Krishnammal Jagannathan belongs to which field? So she belongs to the field of social work. That is option number D is the correct answer. Who confers the Padma Awards to the awardees? Option A, President of India, B, Prime Minister of India, C, Lok Sabha Speaker, D, none of the above. So the correct answer to this question is A, President of India. Which one of the following does not match correctly? Option A, Shri Channulal Mishra, Art, B, Sir Anirudh Jugnauth, Public Affairs, Shri Vishwa Shrestha Swamiji, Literature and Education, D, Mr. George Fernandes, posthumously Public Affairs. So the option that does not match correctly is option number C, which is Shri Vishwa Shrestha Swamiji, Literature and Education. So he was given the award for spiritualism. Let's move on. Which is the third highest Padma Award in India? A, Bharat Ratna, B, Padma Vibhushan, C, Padma Bhushan, D, Padma Shri. So the correct answer is D, Padma Shri. When was the Padma Awards established? In the year 1948, option A, B 1954, C 1965 and D 1985. So the correct answer is B 1954. Which of the following statements is or are correct? The first statement is a maximum of 3 persons can be awarded the Bharat Ratna Award in a year. Second statement is the Padma Awards Committee is constituted every year by the President of India. So the correct option is option A, because the second statement is incorrect, while the first statement, a maximum of 3 persons can be awarded the Bharat Ratna Award in a year, is absolutely correct. Let's move on. Who among the following actresses has been selected for Padma Shri Award 2020? Option A, Kangana Ranaut, B, Priyanka Chopra, C, Madhuri Dixit, D, Shilpa Shetty. So the correct answer to this question is option A, Kangana Ranaut. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for being with us. We have tried to include few more important questions this time, which would be really helpful for you from the point of view of upcoming competitive exams.
Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. In order to keep getting the updates on other current affairs related topics, please press the bell icon. Thank you.